From Swissklip, we got this HaloUV sanitizing light, and I just opened up the box here. So we're going to take a look here and see there's the base, and that's where the bulb plugs in, and that's where it plugs into the wall. And the bulb here is packed under this little piece of foam right here. So let's take a look at that, see how that looks. Very nice. It's got this really nice styrofoam padding all over the place, so you're not going to break anything there. And you just pop that down in there till it clicks. And then this is the frame that goes around it so that the bulbs aren't being exposed to things that might knock them over or chip them or crack them or break them or anything like that. And this here, we're just going to slip down over the bulbs there and then just kind of pop it into place down there in the bottom. Ta-da, look at that, ta-da. And it's a UV sanitizer, and the reason we wanted these, it even comes with a little warning, because what you want to do is you want to remove all the people and the plants and the animals and stuff while you've got this on, and let it ventilate for a while after you've got it on, because you don't want to be in there breathing. And they sent this to us so we could show it to you. And the reason I wanted this is we package up meat a lot into our vacuum sealer, and I wanted this to kind of sanitize the counters afterwards. Now, of course, I wipe them all down with sanitizing cloths after each event, but what if I don't get every little square millimeter and I could just miss something, and then all the little gremlins, the little germs could still be there. So this could actually do a really good job, because it's supposed to get rid of odors and germs and allergens and all that kind of stuff. Now, if you're worried about the odor, that's the thing that a lot of people worry about, the odor. Like, they're like, oh, I smell this for afterwards. Well, byproduct from the skin cells and the hair cells that are just all over the place everywhere because they come off of us, they get UV sanitized, but those skin cells and stuff, they do put off, when they get UV sanitized, they do put off an odor, but the level of those in the air is significantly lower than what OSHA recommends and stuff. It might smell a little bit, and they say that the byproduct smell is more like burnt hair or garlic or something like that. And then there is sometimes a little bit of an ozone smell too. So you definitely want to ventilate afterwards so you're not inhaling all that. Ozone smells a little bit more like chlorine if you aren't really sure what that's going to smell like. But the burnt hair, sour, garlicky thing is the residual byproducts of it sanitizing any kind of hair cells and skin cells and stuff like that. But basically, to eliminate all that kind of smell, all you have to do is make sure you ventilate really, really well. And if you leave it for longer in the room and let it run for longer, it's actually going to kill off more of those hair and skin cells, so there's not as many the next time, so it'll kind of burn off that residual stuff. Of course, wipe down the unit itself so that you don't have any residual on there either. And activated charcoal can actually help sometimes too. So, and the other thing they said was increasing the humidity in the environment. So if you're in a really dry place, it's going to smell a little bit more. So that's what I learned about that. Oh, tool clean. That's where I read about that and stuff. So anyway, good stuff. And I'm pretty excited about having it to be able to keep my counters a little bit more sanitized, especially after the meat prep stuff.